Now I'm going to show you how to take carrot stains out of plastic utensils. Usually when you make a carrot juice or you grate a carrot for a carrot cake or just for a carrot salad, if you use a plastic dish or a food processor, it leaves the keratin stain. It leaves this orange stain, which is very hard to remove even with soap. The option is usually to use bleach, but if you don't want to use bleach, I have another tip for you. You can take oil. You can use either canola oil or any other oil. And what we do is we take cotton, go over the utensil, you can see that the cotton turned orange and the utensil turned white again. You can go from the other side too, from the inside, and do it from the inside too. And now you have a clean grater. I just need to wash it with soap and water, and it's ready to be used again.